It looks like I forgot to film an intro to this video, so here it is. This is me painting this dramatic sky in this Pebble Beach painting. This painting, the extended version, is available in my online painting school, link below. All the brushes and paints that I used are also available via the links below. So check those out and enjoy the video. Okay, so the first thing we are going to get working on now that this is completely dry is the sky. So I'm going to work to begin with the Series 7 size 8. This, by the way, is the Series 7, the smaller one, so the size 8. Okay, so just put that brush to one side. I'm going to get the blender brush now. So this is my fan blender, and I'm just going to very gently, barely touching the panel at all. The pressure is very, very gentle. So that's softened it. That's how we get our airbrush look. Now going to the smaller brush, Series 2 size 1, I'm going to use these same colours, and with even this we're going to still be blending, but I just want a little more definition where the lighter colours are meeting the dark. Okay, so I'm going to just move up into this part here before we get to that really dark area. Now adjust the angle that you brush on the surface of the paint so that you're getting a really nice mix. Okay, right, so let's now move across into this part here. Then back to the blender again. We are going to be, certainly on the sky at least, alternating between the brushes and then the blender. Now you can be a little bit more forceful with the blending in this part because there's not a huge amount of definition actually needed. Now what we do is we get our straight edge, we rest it against the panel. So that's now resting out. So I'm holding it against the panel at the top here, and we're just going to bring our brush marks down from this white point. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little video. As always, all of the paints and brushes that I used in this video are available in my online store, which is in the link down below. Also, this video is available as a longer video where you get to see every single part of the painting, literally from the very first brushstroke to the last on my online painting school, www.michaeljamesmith.tv. Also, the link is in the description below. But I think that's everything I needed to mention, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everybody. See you soon.